Good morning students. In previous video I have started the programs of half yearly examination. The first program I have described to find area of a rectangle, and in the sequence of programming today I am going to describe the second program number 2, that write a program to find area of square. So students, come on here, the second program, area of square. I have told you that if in any program you are finding there is formula is required there, so you must know what is the formula. So here you are finding here area of square, so you must know what is the formula to find area of a square, and you are knowing that side into side, when you are multiplying side into side, that time you can find the area of a square. So just I am defining here the formula A indicating area, and you have to use side. So here complete side I am taking side. So this is the formula to find area of a square. In place of side, if you want to indicate with the help of S only, you can use. So variable, it's depend upon you what the variable you are taking. So here A indicating the area of square, side into side. So it means first of all you will see after the equal sign what is given there. So there is 10. Let each and every program must be start with the latest statement for assigning the value. Let side equal to any value you can take. Side equal to 10. Here the 2 times side is written 2 times, so there is no need to initialize the value 2 times. Only one time you will initialize the value of side. After that, say here for indicating the area of square, I have used here the alphabet A. So you will write let A equal to, formula is side into side. So you will write side into side. Here your processing is completed. Now you have to get the output. So for output you will use this variable with the help of print statement. So 30 print A for finding the area of a square. Print A, and each and every program must end. So here at the last statement you will write end. Here your program is completed. You will press the enter key. So you will see the cursor will come down, and for getting the output you will press the key F5. So after compilation you will find what the output you are getting there. So this is the way how you can write a program to find area of a square. Clear? So nothing you have to learn, only you must know what's the formula, and with the help of the line number and with the help of the later statement, just you have to input here what the formula is there. According to the formula you have to input one by one and you can get the result. This is the program second. Write a program to find area of a square. Clear? Now come on. The next program number 3. Write a program to find perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. This is the program number 3rd. So here you have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So you must know the formula how you can find. In previous video you have read, to finding the area of a rectangle you have used A equal to L into B. L indicating the length, B indicating the width. So here the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is found using here PR. Perimeter of rectangle. Any variable you can take. It's depend upon you. That is I have written, it is not necessary. The same variable you will take. Any variable you will take. But always keep it in your mind. When you are going to use the print statement, that time the same variable which you have written, that must be written there. This is the way. PR, perimeter of rectangle, and formula you are knowing 2 into L plus B. This is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. This is the formula. PR equal to 2 into L plus B. So you will start to input the value from right side after the equal. So here the two variables L and B you are finding. So you will use line number 10. Let L equal to any value you can take 20. Let B equal to 10. Here the L and B value we have assigned here. Now you will use the formula 30. Let PR, perimeter of rectangle, use the formula 2 into L plus B. Here the processing of the formula is completed. Now you have to use the print statement for getting the result. So you will write here print PR. See here the same variable you will take here. That thing which you have written here, that must be written here also. Print PR and 50, your program will be finished. That is the perimeter of a rectangle clear. And when it is completed, you will press the enter key, cursor will come down. Here you will write or click on F5 key, function 5 key. So you will get the result. So this is the way how you can find the perimeter of a rectangle. This is the formula. So see here. After this program, the 4th program, write a program to find perimeters. Write a program to find perimeter of a square. Now you are finding here the perimeter of a square. This is the program number 4. So what is the formula? Perimeter of a square. PS, I am indicating PS. Perimeter of a square. Formula you are knowing that 4 into side. 4 into side. This is the formula. So start to write here. Line number 10. Let side is there. So you will use let side equal to any value you can take. I am taking here 10 only. 10. Then 20. Let write the formula here. Let PS equal to 4 into side. Formula is completed here. So after writing the formula, you have to use the print statement. 30. Print PS. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, and 40. Your program is finished. After finishing the program, you will press the enter key, and here you will write the F5 function key for getting the result. So this is the program for write a This is the program. So the fourth program I have completed here, and you can see it's the very easy to write the program. And one more program is there. That thing I am describing here again. Write a program to find volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. This is the next program. Volume of cuboid. So you are knowing the formula to find the volume of cuboid. I am indicating here BC, volume of cuboid, and formula is length into width into height. This is the formula. L indicating the length, V indicating the width, and H indicating the height. This is the formula to find a volume of a cuboid. Clear? So what you will do, from this side you will start to input the value. Then let L equal to 20, first value, then 20, let B equal to 10, 30, let H equal to 5. So these three values I have inputted here, L, B, H. It's depend upon you, any value you can take. After that you will use the formula, let BC, volume of cuboid, BC. So formula you will write L into B into H. Now formula processing completed, you will use the print statement for getting the result. Print BC and 60, your program will be finished. And when your program is finished, you will press the enter key. At the bottom you will press the F5 key, function key for getting the result. So these are the program. These are the program for your half-yearly examination. I hope each and every program is clear. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.